Hello guys, in the previous video we talked about the ambassador program and products of Parallelchain and reviewed the project a whole, and now we'll move on the discuss the project Parallelchain team. So let's get started. As you know, a project cannot succeed without a good team. The better the team, the more experienced it is, the more it will benefit the project. I must say that Parallelchain has an experienced team of 41 people, because to build such a powerful project with several products you need a lot of specialists. The team. So let's get down to the main candidates. So download the page and see first Yan Huang. It is founder CEO. Yan have experience in many companies including Tectonics, Northrop Grumman, Sugar, DEC and Hughes network systems. Yan has been mainly engaged in technology activities, so he is the author of 5 US patents for the blockchain core and another 5 patents and pending. Next, dear Anthony Wu, Chief Strategy Officer, and Yan Huang is founder of CEO. Dear Anthony Wu, a Chief Strategy Officer, he had a PhD and an MSc University of Hong Kong, MBA from Harvard University of California at Berkeley. That is, he studied at top universities. At the same time, he holds the position of Director of Venture Capital at CMA GGM Group. Prior to that, he worked at JP Morgan Private Banking in San Francisco, then moved to Morgan Stanley in London and New York, and later to the Harvard Business School's Asia Pacific Research Center in Hong Kong. Next is Colin Sanders, is financial consultant. Colin Sanders graduated from the University of Essex. He was worked in finance for more than 30 years, mostly in senior positions. He is also a member of the Chartered Institute of Accountants in England and Wales, and a graduate of the University of the UK Law School. Next is Jesse Chen, is a chief of staff. Jesse studied at the University of Edinburgh and also holds a degree from the University of Nottingham. She joined Parallelchain as an assistant to the CEO and has been promoted to chief of staff. Next is Kelvin Lan, is principal engineer or chief engineer. Kelvin holds a Bachelor of Science degree from the University of Hong Kong. He's a lead engineer who develops algorithms and daily sensitive applications. Previously, he worked as a software engineer at Thomson Reuters before joining a game developer managing the full application life cycle. Next is Clayton Mark, is Director of Product Management. Clayton holds a Bachelor of Science from the University of Melbourne. He has an excellent technical background, so he is well versed in new technologies, advancements, as well as problem solving. Clayton has 4 years of experience in DeFi products. That is, he already has experience in working with cryptocurrencies. That's the main team members who hold senior position. As you have noticed, they all studied at universities and sometimes at several. They have good experience in financial and DeFi projects, so there is no doubt about their competence. I am sure that they will be able to make a product that will occupy the top places in the market for a long time, as Parallelchain solves the problems of privacy and confidentiality. And what is Parallelchain is, there is a layer 1 blockchain that provides opportunities to build confidential and private application. They will have tools to protect user data and verify it. As we mentioned earlier, these totals are created by special mathematical formulas and protected by Parallelchain BFT consensus protocol, which keep your data as secure as possible. So on Parallelchain, application can create various kinds of KYC, data security and more. Even so, the blockchain maintains high performance and fast transaction execution.